Listen. Are you sure you are PDP of Benue State? Are you sure?
Yes.
You love your governor?
Yes.
You believe in him?
Yes.
You support him?
Yes.
Anything he tells you, you will do?
Yes.
If you know, then shout proper. PDP! Listen, do you want me to pepper them? You want me to pepper them? I should pepper them? I should pepper them? Okay. No people talk, no na talk. No na talk. Now let me join my brothers. We came here to support a man whom you can sleep with your two eyes closed. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Your governor is a man who believes in his people. Your governor is a man who can die for his people.
Yeah.
Your governor is a man who will never change for whatever it takes, because he believes first that Benue must survive. And that is why all of us, we have left everything we are doing in our state to come and give you support, to tell you anything Ortom tells you to do, do it. It will be for the interest of Benue State. Not be so? Not be so?
Yes, sir.
Some people said here that there's a problem. Me, I don't know problem. If there was a problem, I wouldn't have come here.
Yeah.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
There's no problem. So we came here and we have seen it. We went to commission 5 projects today. Look, this man is a gift to the people of Benue State. So I don't know of any problem. If there was problem, we wouldn't have come here. We have said support your people to win an election. And I want to thank you for receiving us and believing that God is infinite mercy will deliver the people of Benue State. Thank you, and God bless you.